For so many years, we've been dominated by a single man in the league. His name is Junmar Fajardo, bragging so many MVPs like he's just ordering a one-piece chicken meal. Pero every era always has an end. Kumbaga sa hugot, walang forever. We acknowledge yung talent ni Kraken sa PBA, yung kabaitan niya on and off the court, truly an inspiration sa mga players. Though in some ways, it's kind of put the competition at risk and the enjoyment of the fans. But it's not on Junmar totally, but on how the league gave help to a player like Junmar Fajardo. If you don't know, Junmar's draft rights were originally with Barako Bull, pero they traded it to San Miguel Beermen. Doon na rin nagsimula yung mga farm team allegations sa liga, lalo nung si Roger Yap played for Barako Bull. So, if hindi na trade si Junmar, he'd be with Phoenix right now. Though alaga talaga si Junmar way back, kung hindi SMB ang first pick, Junmar wouldn't even enter the draft. Simple as that. Pero ayun, hindi naman si Junmar yung pag-uusapan natin talaga eh. It's more about my wishful thinking na ilang taon ko na rin tong iniisip at na-post ko rin ata sa Facebook dati. And I think maraming nakakita nung picture with Richie and Nokum, kaso nawala yung page ko na yun. So ayun, I think the PBA should market this kind of rivalries. Yung liga na guard heavy, full of talent at hindi natin alam kung sino talaga yung mananalo. Way back, we had Mark Kagiwa versus James Yap, and sobrang sikat ng PBA that time. Yung status nila, same level lang talaga ng mga artista. Parang sarap ulit sa pakiramdam na meron tayong matchup to look forward every game. Ganyan kasi yung feeling ko nung high school eh. Uwi ako ng maaga galing school para manood ng Cyrus Baguio versus James Yap. Tapos sobrang saya ko nung nilibre ako ng tatay ko sa Araneta para sa Bimeg Yap at Alaska Cyrus. Doon mo masasabi na kakaiba talaga yung charisma ng isang James Yap. Pero syempre, I fell in love with the PBA because of one man, Don Hontiveros. 2004, first time ko siyang napanood sa TV. And guys, bata pa naman ako maaga lang talaga akong nanood ng PBA. Kaya alam nyo kung gaano kasakit sa akin yung mga nangyari since the 2017 trade. So, sobrang bad trip pa nga dati sa probinsya kasi pag game 7, biglang mag-brown out, tapos pagbalik ng kuryente, si Jonas Villanueva na yung finals MVP. Mga 2009 pa ata yun. Basta, ayun lang naman yung pinopoint ko sa video. Ang dami ko lang talagang nakikwento. Pero I just wanna see the league inspire a lot of people again. Kasi karamihan sa atin, wala namang gagaya kay Junmar eh. That's why the PBA was so popular noong 2000s. Bukod kasi sa fair yung liga, nandyan pa yung mga players na ginagaya ng mga kabataan. Dati titira tayo tapos kunwari humble, mala Lordy Tugado yung datingan, 'di ba? Ginagaya pa natin yung nag-aapoy na kamay ni Gary David. Tapos syempre yung mga one-handers na James Yap, mga crossovers ni Mark Kagiwa. Kahit di kaya magkape sa ere, sige lang basta matry ang moves ni Cyrus Baguio. We even had Renren Ritualo, and kung lefty ka, meron kang Willie Miller. Sobrang sarap talaga abangan ng mga laban na ganyan. And now, merong tayong chance to bring that feeling. We have a player today na ginagaya ng karamihan and he is playing well this conference. As I said earlier, yung nagpopularize ng hop step, Euro step, Pinoy step, Richie Rivero. Please, PBA, let us feel that again. Display them in every ad. Hindi naman magka-match up, pero yun yung nakalagay sa game day poster. We need to see Adrian Nocom versus Alex Stockton on a game day poster. RJ Abarientos versus Jerome Lastimosa. CJ Cancino versus Adrian Nocom. Sayang nga yung potential ng Newsom at Thompson na rivalry. Ngayon, tumatanda na sila. Hindi lang talaga na market sa mga tao. And syempre, ayun nga, no-overshadow ng dominance ni Junmar. Ngayon, pwede nating painitin yung Juan Gomez de Leano versus Del Panopio. Who's the better point guard? Mga ganung hype. Marami nata akong dinadaldal pero simple lang naman talaga yung hiling ko eh. So, kayo ba, kailangan ba to ng liga? Yung ganitong hype, yung ganitong feeling. Kasi we all know Junmar's dominance is coming to an end and we need to get ready for it.